Jay, we're here at the 3rd annual Taste of Country Music Festival, and we've met a ton of different people all weekend long, but I have to say this is the first time I've actually met a woman wearing a cowboy hat that's got a little bit of veil on the back. And your name is?
Cherie.
Cherie, and where are you from?
New Hampshire.
New Hampshire is representing here at Hunter Mountain this weekend, and who'd you come to see the most? Like, who's your favorite?
Oh my gosh, I can't pick. I love them all.
It's a long list, right?
Yeah.
She's like, why?
I've seen them all too, multiple times.
Yeah. He's not asking about when I'm getting married. So you're getting married. Turn around, show everybody again one more time. And when is the big day?
2 weeks.
2 weeks, and I have to ask, is your fiance here?
No, he's in Key West.
The man is crazy. Oh, wait a second. Wait. The man is smart. So you guys are getting married in 2 weeks,
yeah.
And is he a country fan as well?
No.
He's not a country fan.
Opposites attract.
Now, this happened to me when I got married. My wife was a diehard country fan. I was more of a rock guy. And we got married, and here I am working for a country radio station now. And where's the wedding? Where are you guys in New Hampshire?
New Hampshire, yeah.
Can we come?
Yeah.
You heard that.
Sure.
We have video proof of an invitation. Where is it?
Wyndham.
I'm kidding.
Wyndham, New Hampshire.
Very nice. It's very nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, ladies.
Hi.
Thank you so much, guys. Go ahead and eat your chips. Thank you, guys.